Hello dear students, welcome back to English class. Here Mr. Kharani sir and I welcome all of you to live online classes. I welcome all of you to live online classes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. So dear students, here we are learning the very important topic and the story of a boy. The name of the boy is Name of the boy Makbul Bhatt. It is the name of the boy Makbul Bhatt only. And we learned the story of Makbul Bhatt that he was a soldier's son and how he sacrificed his life for the nation and he was brave child. He was totally brave child because he did his mission without scared of enemies. So
Pragya on the video.
So, dear students, here soldier's son. English. The name of the lesson is Soldiers. Soldier's son. So now we have learned that Makbul Bhatt was there and he was a wonderful brave boy and he did. So page number 20, Makbul, thank you my brave son. Now you must be taken home. Your mother will be worried about you. Your mother will be worried about you. Commanding officer told him to go home only because your mother is also alone and she may be worried about you. I am Makbul Bhatt, son of India. I am Makbul Bhatt, son of India. This is my land and these are my brothers. It is here that I was born and nurtured. My father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land and my mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. My loyalty rests here with my brothers, blood relations of the soil, for we have broken bread on the same land. Makbul was a small boy, small child, but his thoughts were high. He was totally different than other children because his thoughts, his action, totally different than other children because he saved a pilot and he completed his mission without scaring of enemy, without afraid of enemy. He did not think about himself, he thought first about the land. And that time he said that I am Makbul Bhatt, son of India. I Makbul. Makbul. Makbul Bhatt. Son of India. I am son of India and all are my brothers. All are my brothers. All are my brothers. My father's blood is mixed. My father's blood is mixed with soil of this land, and my mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. Here his quality is loyalty. Loyalty for its land. So dear students, these are the thoughts of Makbul Bhatt. He was a brave child and that's why his thoughts are different. He said, Makbul Bhatt said, I am the son of India. I am the son of India. All are my brothers. Always we take pledge. When school starts, pledge. Yes, no? All are my brothers and sisters and I love my country. I am proud of myself. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All brothers and sisters, so here all are my brothers. My father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land. What a wonderful sentence he used. My father's blood is mixed with the land because his father died fighting for nation. He sacrificed his life, his blood for the nation. So my father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land and my mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. My mother's tears means the water from eyes.
Yes, sir.
Water from eyes. Water from eyes. Water from eyes. So my mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. Which are crops grow. And dear students, here so now here what happened next? I am Makbul Bhatt, son of India. This is my land and these are my brothers. These are my brothers. It is here that I was born and nurtured. My father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land and my mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. My loyalty, he was loyal for the nation, to the nation. Loyalty is the quality. Loyalty is the quality, dear students. He was loyal for his land. So my loyalty rates here with my brothers' blood relations of the soil, for we have broken bread on the same land. So same land means what? It's land. India is our land, and for this land, here is my loyalty. I am loyal towards nation. The boy who had been standing crumpled up all of a sudden and fell down. Dear students, when he spoke this speech, when he was telling this speech that I am the son of India, all are my brothers, my father's blood is mixed all of a sudden. someone shot him down, and enemy fire had hit his leg, and blood was dropping from the wound. So Maqbul Bhat got bullet. So Maqbul Bhat fell down. Maqbul Bhat fell down. Enemy fire hit his leg, blood. So enemy, they do not care about the blood, about the child also. You know that they do not care about blood, about child also. So here Maqbul Bhat suddenly fell down because enemy fire hit his leg and blood and wounds. So enemy fire hit his leg. His leg was injured because of the bullet of enemy. Enemy's bullet. Gun bullet, you should know. So he fell down when he was giving the speech that I am the son of India. All are my brothers. My father's blood is mixed with soil of this land. My mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grown. That time, suddenly one of the enemies attacked, and Maqbul fell down. Enemy fire hit his leg. So his leg was injured. Bleeding was there. Wounds, from the wounds there was blood. So totally he was in blood. Blood was dropping from the wound. The commanding officer gathered the fallen figure in his arms. But dear students, commanding officer put him in his arms only and carried the child to the ambulance. There was ambulance. In that ambulance, he carried him in his arms. In his arms only commanding officer holds. He held, he put, and then he carried in his arms because he was brave son, brave soldier son, and enemy fire hit his leg. Bleeding was there from his wounds, and that's why to that child, commanding officer carried him to the ambulance. The boy stirred and grimaced with pain. The boy was in pain, like this, because he got bullet in his leg and his leg was injured. So too much suffer, too much pain was there in his leg. So his voice, he was crying with the pain. Major Dogra moved swiftly to him and gently eased his leg into a more comfortable position. The commanding officer frowned in worry. His eyes brimmed with tears. Dear students, here commanding officer was there. Maqbul. What happened with Maqbul we are going to learn. So when he was giving speech, he told that I am the son of India and my father's blood is mixed with the soil and all are my brothers. That time suddenly enemy shoot down and a bullet. Yes, no. The Maqbul got bullet in his leg, and then commanding officer carried him in his arm to the ambulance, and the boy was in pain. So Major Dogra moved and eased his leg into more comfortable position. More comfortable position, and commanding officer was in worry. Commanding officer was worried. So dear students, these two points are important. Major Dogra moved because Makbul Bhatt, our hero, small boy, he got attacked in his legs. In his leg, bullet was there. Enemy attacked him. Enemy shot down. So that's why Major Dogra moved and eased his leg into more comfortable position. Means he helped, that Major Dogra helped him a more comfortable position, and then commanding officer was worried. Commanding officer was worried because he thought, now what to do? Small boy got bullet in his leg. What are the enemy? Enemy do not think. They do not think about child. They do not think about boy girl. They only shoot. They only shoot down. And now the boy was suffering, and the boy was in pain. Great pain was there in his leg. Bullet was there, and that's why commanding officer was worried, and they both were in ambulance. Makbul smiled through his dirt-scratched face, and he said, "A soldier never weeps." A soldier never weeps. Weep means cry. So soldiers never cry, sir. They never cry. Soldiers never cry, sir. Don't cry. I got a bullet in my leg, but you are the soldier, you are commanding officer. So you are commanding officer, soldier never cry. Hey, Makbul smiled in his pain. Dear students, Makbul smiled in his pain. He got a bullet in his leg. Enemy shot down, and in the firing, he got bullet. Bleeding was there, pain was there, but even though he smiled and he said, soldiers never cry. Don't cry, sir. Another voice from somewhere far away, lost in the distance, yes, seemed to say, a soldier never runs from the enemy. Father, you told me so. He must face the bullets even when they tear his chest to shreds. So dear students, here the turning point of the story is about a wonderful message, history of commanding officer. I just want to tell one thing. A soldier's house is, a soldier's son is about Makbul also. It is about Makbul also, and the history of commanding officer. History or past of commanding officer. What was the past? Past was there that another voice from somewhere, some far away, when Makbul said, a soldiers never cry, don't cry. Commanding officer remembered. Commanding officer remembered same sentence of his own son, and the sentence was a soldier never runs from the enemy. He must face the bullets. So, dear students, here the important part of the story is here the turning point of the story, and the turning point is when Maqbul got a bullet in his leg. Commanding officer carried him in his arm in ambulance, and commanding officer started crying. He started crying. He was worried about the Maqbul, but Maqbul said, "Don't cry, commanding officer. Soldiers never cry." And when Maqbul said this sentence, never cry, commanding officer remembered his past. And the same sentence of his own son. This sentence is of commanding officer's son, and he must be also soldier's son. So soldier's sons, commanding officer also. Commanding officer's son. So two soldier's sons are there. The story of two soldier's sons. First one soldier's sons, Maqbul is the soldier's sons, and now commanding officer remembered same sentence of his own son. A soldier never runs from the given enemy, he must face the bullets. A soldier never runs from the enemy, he must face the bullets. This is the same sentence of commanding officer's son. When Maqbul said this sentence, he remembered his son, because, yes, my son, soldiers must not weep, but a father's heart weeps and bleeds with the blood of his son. I received the PVC for my son in the 1971 war. So yes, sir, yes, my son, you said really true that soldier never runs, soldier never weeps, but father can cry. But soldier never weeps, but father's heart weeps and bleeds with the blood of his son. Why? Because commanding officers son died in war, and he received PVC for his son 1970 war. PVC means what? Param Veer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra. So now, dear students, here this is the story of commanding officer also. When Makbul said that soldier never weeps, never runs, that time commanding officer remembered his son and he said, "Yes, my son, soldier never cries, soldier never runs, but father's heart weeps and bleeds with the blood of his son. When there is the blood of his son, that time father cries. Father cannot see the blood of his son. Father cannot see the blood of his son. That time his heart cries. His heart bleeds with the sadness, with the pain, because he cannot see the blood of his son. Father cannot see the blood of his son. Means father cannot watch, cannot see dead body of the son. No. But what happened here, students? In 1971 war was there. In 1971 war, commanding officer's son died in this war. Commanding officer's sons died in this war. And whenever someone died for the nation in military, they get Paramveer Chakra, PVC. So commanding officer received a PVC for his son only. Son was died. Son died. Yes, no. Son died in 1971 war, and commanding officer received a Paramveer Chakra for his son. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military award. PVC is the highest military award. PVC is the highest military award. So, commanding officer received a Paramveer Chakra for his son in 1971 war. So, what is the meaning of this sentence, dear students? That commanding officer lost his son, and son was also soldier. Commanding officer lost his son, and Makbul lost his father. Both are same. So soldier's son, Makbul also soldier's son, and that this story is about commanding officer's son also, because he also died in the war. He must have been very brave. You too are very brave. Sir, don't worry. So the Makbul said that he must have been very brave. Your son must have been very brave, and you are also brave. Don't worry, sir. It will be all right. I am a soldier's son, and I too will become a soldier when I grow up. So when I grow up, I want to be soldier only. I too will become a soldier when I grow up. You, my child, are a soldier already, aren't you? No need to grow up, dear my son. You are already soldier, because he did wonderful job. You are already soldier. We are proud of you and hope that someday you will lead our army with the same daring and courage that you have shown today. So, dear students, this is the story of two sons. Two sons. Two sons. Who are the two sons? A soldier's son. A soldier's son. First one, Makbul. Makbul Bhatt, who lost his father and A soldier's son. Another one. Soldier's son. Here, commanding officer's son. Commanding officer's son. Who died in 1971. So this is called soldier's son, dear students. This is called soldier's son. Yes, no? This is called soldier's son. So now we have completed here lesson. I just want to ask you a few questions about the lesson, and then here we have completed soldier's son, the story of Maqbul Bhatt also, and the story of commanding officer also. Okay, so I will ask you questions.